Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Aaron and I am still on Phi Phi Island. So I want to show you some of the cats on Phi Phi Island. So if you look here, here is a very cute cat on Phi Phi Island. Here is another cat. This cat is black and he is sleeping. Okay. If you look over here, you'll see another cat. This cat is not asleep. Oh, I think I'm scaring him. Oh, I scared him. Sorry. I scared that cat and he ran away. Anyways, there are many cats on Phi Phi Island. They are all over the place. Let's see if I can see another cat over here. No, I don't see any other cats. Oh, there's a cat. You see it? There's a cat right here. It's a gray cat scratching himself on the neck right there. Any other cats? I don't see any more. Let's take a walk and see if we can find some more cats. Phi Phi Island is very beautiful. Okay, look down this way. Oh, I see another cat. Let's take a look at this cat. Oops. Sawadee kap. Here we have one more cat. It is white and black. He's sleeping. What else do we have? There are cats all over the place. There are lots and lots of cats on Phi Phi Island. Let's look around for more cats. Let me see. I don't see any more right now, but I see probably 10 or 20 cats every time I go somewhere. Right now, I am going to a restaurant. Let's look. Oh, here's one more cat. Let me show you this one. Here's a cat, a gray and white cat, sleeping. They look like they are dead, but they are not dead. They are just sleeping. It's okay. And look, here someone left food out. They left cat food for the cat. Oh look, there's another cat. Another cat. Oh look, here's another cat. What a surprise. There are lots of cats on this island. Hi, kitty. Sometimes we say kitty instead of cat. Kitty is a cute word for cat. So, let me see. Are there any other cats down here? No, I don't see any. There are some boats, and there is the ocean. There are some mountains, and Phi Phi Island is very beautiful. Bye-bye.